Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this project, we will be making a simple HTML list style structure where we'll create a UI that can display list data and so forth. So let's see the working of it. So basically, it's a list encoded type of data where there are data present on the website in the form of sequences of numbering. And as soon as you hover over it, you get this nice transition that looks pleasing to the eye. So we'll see how to make this in this project. So this project will be divided into two videos. The first video will be the HTML part of the code and the second video will be the CSS code. So without further wasting time, let's get started. Let's start coding it inside this file, that is home.2html. So first things first, if you look at this design, you can notice you can imagine a big div present which is blank, and within that these list items are created. So first things first, let's keep it with a div task, like with a div tag at the cover. So we'll put it inside the main section, main. And now inside the main section, we will create separate divs. So now I'll create a class. Class is equal to list tile. And now inside this list tile, I'll just make a h3 tag for the time being used. And let's just name it as presence of oxidants, antioxidants, that is displayed on the website, antioxidants. Save this. And now if I go back to this, the web page that I'm working on, it just says present of antioxidants. As you notice here, there is also a digit. So that digit needs to be also created. So now we have create a div class of digit, and let's name this class digit, and here we'll be simply storing the digit value, like this is 1. So as you can see, now we have created two div tags inside it, and now all we need to do is simply copy two. So next one would be helps in anti-aging. Fine. So now we have created the 4 list tiles. Now and with this, we have completed the HTML coding of this project. In the next video, we will work on the CSS and completely rip off this project. So if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.